With cryptocurrency volatility in full swing right now, everybody's eyes are on meme coins. Yes, Bitcoin is very impressive, sitting at 104, 105,000, but man, meme coins are moving 10, 20, 30% per day right now, and it's got a lot of people on edge. So we're going to be talking about Shiba Inu coin in this video. A massive whale inflow signals a potential rally. It has been very stagnant over the last couple of months, but whales are finally waking back up. So let's discuss it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. Now we're just going to jump right into this article here and talk about Shiba Inu coin. And you know what? I'm not going to go through the entirety of the article. We're going to talk a little bit about the summary here. SHIB whale inflows are surging 6,300% following Shibarium upgrades with multi-gas token support. Now I will say this, right? It might be following a Shibarium upgrade, but it has nothing to do with a Shibarium upgrade. You do not need to own or buy Shiba Inu coin to use Shibarium. Token burns increased 1,499% with over 1.19 billion SHIB burned in the last week. Now that is huge, right? We have not seen billion SHIB weekly burns in a very long time. And I remember a couple of days ago, the 500 and something million Shiba Inu coin single burn that day, the same address and like 3 or 4 different transactions, burned over 500 million SHIB. That was a major contributor to that number. Price holding crucial support at 1,100 points per coin after a 15% weekly decline to a 7-day low. Technical indicators show oversold conditions, and futures open interest is dropped to $134 million, the lowest in 2 months, potentially signaling a breakout setup. Now this is interesting, guys, because if we look at the price of Bitcoin right now, it's been relatively stagnant, right? It's been volatile, yes, moving from 100,000 to 111,000, back down. But if you look at the last week, right, we've essentially been wicking from 103 to 107 to 103 to 107, 103 to 1, and we've been stuck in this range, tightening. And I do believe that Bitcoin is still following a very bullish pattern, right? We've got the ascending trend line. We've got the horizontal resistance at that all-time high. And we continue to wedge up, not falling below the 50-day moving average. Shiba Inu coin has been somewhat disappointing over the last couple of weeks. And if we could find Shiba Inu coins here, sitting at 1156 points per coin, it's down, right? It is sitting at the absolute market bottom, major support levels, and that's why the whales are loading up. If you come out here, you can see that the whales are increasing their buys. Futures volume spiking to $147 million on Gate.io. We have got a major increase of 6,300% in these whale purchases, with technical indicators setting up for a breakout to the upside. Now, when you combine all of this, right, it paints a very bullish picture, but you're wondering, why is Shiba Inu coin not bouncing? Why is Shiba Inu coin not rising? Why is Shiba Inu coin not breaking out yet? Well, if you come out here to the Coin Stats Fear and Greed Index, you can see that we are in fearful territory. The overall market is sitting at a level of 48 fear. If you come out here to Coin Market Cap, you can see that altcoin season is sitting at a level of 23. Right back down to where we were a couple of weeks ago. And you know what? This indicates that people are not sitting in a risk-on environment. This indicates that people are not willing to buy the riskier assets. They're not even willing to buy altcoins yet. Bitcoin is the largest cryptocurrency, and it continues to get all of the attention. But unless the market does what it has never done before, we will see history repeat itself. We will see the cyclical nature of the crypto market continue on. And that will mean that we will rise into greedy and extremely greedy territory, that altcoin season will rise up, and altcoins will start to dominate. And then when investors are extremely greedy, they'll pour into meme coins. Shiba Inu coin is the second largest meme coin in the entire world. It stands a very good chance. Now, SHIB is not the only token that I own. I know I talk about it a lot, but it's not the only one. One of them that I've been buying into, and I'm actually going to buy a little bit more after this video here, is Solexie Token. Solexie is building the first layer 2 blockchain on Solana. And I didn't realize you could actually get in below the list price still. In 4 days and 52 minutes, it is going to be listed, and it is going to be listed above the 1766. So I'll be buying a little bit more of Solexie. I like the Solana network, right? I believe the Solana network is one of the best blockchains out there. It's one of the most meme-friendly blockchains out there and retail-friendly blockchains, which is why I really, really believe in its future. Now, because of that, it does get congested at times. Solexie looks to solve that problem. If you come out to their X account, you can get a full look at everything that they're going to be launching and the dates for the roadmaps right here. Claim day, June 23rd. Bridging over, June 23rd. Exchange listings, coming soon. And you can see that major exchanges will get Solexie listed. Wiki on June 29th. Staking Unlock on June 30th. Mainnet on July 7th. Block Explorer, Bridge, Neptune, and Igniter all coming up in July. Guys, this could be one of the biggest layer 2 blockchains out there, and therefore I am buying. If you guys are interested in buying, you're going to click that link in the description below. You're going to connect your wallet. Now, I like to connect via Best Wallet, so if you guys need to download that, you got a link in the description, and it's a very easy process. You type in how much you want, and those tokens are yours to claim in 4 days and 51 minutes. If you're interested in buying Shiba Inu coin or any other cryptocurrency for that matter, you've got a link to the KCEX exchange down there. These guys are great. 75x leverage trading on SHIB, literally 0% futures fees. So if you guys are interested in trading meme coins or any other crypto, make sure to check out KCEX and tell them thank you. They're running a ClayBro campaign for the next 4 days. You guys can actually win up to $16,000 based on the amount that you trade, sign-up bonuses, and then the amount that you deposit as well. Let me know what you guys are doing with it all down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.